What's up, guys? We're gonna make a vegan hamburgers and gravy dish today. Here we got a couple cups of drained chickpeas. You can use them in the can, or you can cook them yourself like I did and just drain them. We're gonna dice a medium to large size onion. We're gonna mince a couple cloves of nice garlic. Alright, now we're going in with a couple cups of our drained chickpeas, half of our onion, half of our mushrooms, half of our minced garlic, and we're going in with a couple tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to process it until it looks something like this. You don't want it to be too crumbly. You don't want it to look like mincemeat, just like that. Now you're going to add your half cup of flour followed by 1 tablespoon of coconut milk. This gives it richness and depth, but you can use vegetable stock or even water. You're going to want to lightly flour some type of surface that you can place these things on. Form it like this into a patty. Set aside until you have roughly 6 of them. Now you can add them to your saute pan or a cast iron like I'm using. Make sure it's well greased beforehand, and then as they cook you can add a tablespoon or 2 more oil like I did right there. You're going to want to keep flipping them until they've developed even color like this on both sides. Then you're going to want to take them out. Looking good, looking good. Now to make our beautiful gravy, we're going to dump the rest of those onions and mushrooms in. We're going to follow that with a big pinch of salt, followed by a lot of cracks of fresh black pepper. Then I'm actually going to add in another medium onion because I feel like it needed another onion. So you want to make sure it has about this much vegetables in it. You're going to want to stir that around a little bit. Saute it for a couple minutes until it gets some color. Then you're going to want to deglaze with a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is the kicker right here. You're going to want to go in with your half cup of flour, the rest of your minced garlic, and you want to stir everything around until it's coated in flour. Then after it's coated, you want to just start adding about a half cup to a cup of water slowly and stir while you're doing it. Incorporate that water into your gravy, and sadly I had some technical difficulties. My camera actually died. But this is what you wanted to look like. The only thing I did was put in the burgers, coat them in the sauce and the gravy, and I cooked them on medium-low for a couple minutes. And this is your end result. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Peace.